Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace spring on a Strut on Mercedes C-Class guys. That's the W204 from 2008 to 2015. We have a bent Strut, so we need to swap our spring on the new Strut. So, if you need to install lowering springs or replace your springs, your Struts, that video will be very helpful. Stay with us. You can see the tools and parts that we use in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so we need to take the tool. Okay, that's a spring compressor tool. We need to, okay, you adjust it like that and you lock it in place. Okay, the two pins have to be locked in place and you have to be very careful, okay, using that tool. This is very dangerous job guys, and let me show you why. Now with the safety pins it's a little bit better, but never ever stay in front of the Strut or on the back side, because if something happens it's going to shoot that way and this will be enormous amount of force that can kill you. So just to be honest with you guys, if you don't feel comfortable, don't do that. Go to a shop and they'll do it pretty quick. So we are installing the second one now. Okay, gotta make sure that you just get it right, so we can install the locking pin as well. Okay guys, so we're going to get a socket that fits our tool now. Okay, and we'll get tight on one side and then on the other one. Okay, this side is good. Now we need to go to the next side. You can do one on this side, one on the other, so not just to go all of a sudden on one side. And we have that rubber in the way, that's not helping us a lot. Okay, we'll go a little bit on the other side now. Okay, towards the end it will be really hard, so we won't even be able to use the little impact, so we have to use the ratchet. Okay, it's getting loose. Now we're going to switch to the other side. Okay, and do a little bit here now. And I'll show you when we need to stop. Okay, so you gotta make sure that it's loose guys. Okay, you can see we don't have any tension on the spring now. That's very important. So next step, with the socket, there is one nut on front of the Strut. Okay, that you need to remove usually. And okay, stay out of the way, because if you have any tension on the spring, that thing can kill you. Okay, the nut is out. Okay, so now it's important guys to be very careful again. Okay, right there you can see the spring is stuck in the rubber a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now what we need to do, okay, that we need to unhook, okay, the rubber there, because it gets stuck, so it cannot pull up and dust doesn't go in the shock, so that's why it's invented that way. Next we can just go ahead, okay, pull it out. It's holding a little bit our thing there. okay, and eventually, okay, it gets loose, guys, okay, and it comes out of there. Okay, you can see this is the spring assembly, this is the strut. Okay guys, next thing, okay, we have to install everything in reverse order. So we have, okay, that thing right here, okay, that rubber bushing on the bottom. This is very important because if you don't install this one, the spring will be rattling and it will be very noisy, okay, so don't forget to do that. Okay, after that, this is the absorber right there. So we're going to install this one now. Okay, perfect. You have to try to pull the strut as much as you can, because sometimes they might be in a little bit. Okay, perfect. Next, okay, you have to install, okay, the spring where it used to lay there. Okay, don't stay on top of the strut, always from the side, guys, always from the side. Okay, you can see we got it in place now. And next thing, we'll have to install the nut there. Okay guys, so we installed everything in reverse order, we took it apart. Next thing, don't stay in the way, we're going to install the nut on top, okay. Catch the nut, we need to get that nut tight now, okay. And once we get it tight, we'll proceed with the next step. Alright guys, every model will have different torque specs, you can check them with the torque wrench, because the Sport and the other models will be different. Okay guys, so we are going to get both of them loose now, one at a time, a little bit on each side, okay? Probably about 4 or 5 revolutions on one side, 4 or 5 on the other one. Okay, this one is pretty tight. Never stay in front or behind it. Okay, we are towards the end on both sides. You see, we got them loose, a little bit on each side, and you alternate. You go to the other side, back and forth like that. Now we have to pull the safety pins out. We did scratch our spring, as you can see, but it's really hard to do on the one with the sport suspension, guys, because it's a very short strut. Okay, this one is stuck a little bit there. Okay, came out now. And the bottom pin as well there. You have to help them sometimes, because if it's a bigger spring, they tend to get stuck a little bit. Okay, this one came loose as well. Now it's time to get it out. Okay, you can see, just like that, guys. You gotta make sure that everything is put together right. You can check your nut again. Okay, make sure that this nut on top is very tight. And this will be the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.